Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. We can see the price dropping at the moment. In fact, the price of all the three top cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cardano, is dropping a little. For me, nothing to worry about. There have been talks about the testnet has failed. To be honest, I haven't really seen any confirmed source for that. If you know anything, let me know in the description. I was quite busy this afternoon, so I haven't had time really to follow anything. I know Charles posted a video, an hour-long video. I haven't had a chance to watch that, but I don't think he said anything about a failed testnet. Maybe these were just rumors, and the price didn't drop massively. I believe if, had there really been a testnet failure, I think we would have seen the price drop much further. So maybe this was really just rumors, but let me know if you have anything confirmed. There were a few comments underneath my last video about that, so I'm not sure if that actually happened, if there was anything. Couldn't find any confirmed news, not even on Twitter. Let me know if anything like that happened. But let's start with, obviously we want to have a look at the Cardano price in this video, but I want to start with having a very quick look at IOTA, just taking a look, because this morning we did the video about the potential breakout happening, and yeah, I think it has happened today, so I'm very happy with that. What's even more important, we are at the tipping point here. This is this cup and handle playing out now that I mentioned this morning. So beautiful. Congratulations to everyone who watched that video and took a chance and bought down here. I think we were at 179 this morning. So this bull flag is just playing out. And if we're breaking that level here, I think we're going further to the moon. This is the psychological $2 level. Of course, we could drop off here, but if this is now break, and we've got volume, and this is a perfect cup and handle. But I don't want to talk about IOTA. I'm waiting for the breakout now of Algorand, because I talked about that as well. Anyway, Cody played out nicely today as well. Dropped a little bit now, but nothing to worry about. I'm very bullish on Cody. Let's take a look at Bitcoin first before we go to Cardano. Bitcoin, again, not doing a lot, and don't really want to waste your time. We still need to get above that 50,500 level. I think we're just consolidating here a little bit. A lot of undecisiveness in the market here. We still have something here like a bull flag where we had that flagpole here, and now consolidation. So that could be the preparation for the next move to the upside. We can see the price is getting squeezed again into something like an apex here, at which point we normally then see a breakout, and that looks to me like a bull flag. We have the flagpole here again, and now we've got the sort of symmetrical triangle. This is not exactly now what I've done here, but I think that could be a bull flag. Looks to me like a bullish pennant, pretty much, where you have a symmetrical triangle, or at least something like a symmetrical triangle. I mean, these never really play out perfectly, but it looks to me good enough for a bullish move to the upside. That is what I expect could be coming. Let's take a look at Cardano, where we see something similar. Unfortunately, again, I don't know what happened. Maybe it was just rumors, maybe not, but I think if there was something serious, the price would have dropped further. I managed to get actually some ADA coins at 282. That's where the price dropped down to just now. I think it actually went down to 280. But yeah, I managed to get hold of some at 280 when I saw it dropping. I haven't bought any this week, so that was perfect, because I'm buying pretty much every week. So I accumulate. I'm not really selling. I'm just accumulating. I'm a long-term holder. I'm not really a trader. I've got a trading portfolio as well, but most of my time I just accumulate. So I've got a long-term hodling portfolio, and then I've got a trading portfolio, a small one, but I'm not doing day trading really. I just like to talk about prices here, but I do swing trading, but it's my smaller portfolio. Mainly I just accumulate because the crypto market is just very dynamic, and I would need to spend a lot of time in front of the laptop, which I don't really want to do. So what I think we have still happening here is that we, of course, we are testing here this horizontal support line all the time. It's not exactly horizontal, but I think we're just moving here into that area here further and further. Price is consolidating towards that. We've got something here, even though unfortunately for the moment here on the daily we broke that trend line, but we need to see how that plays out, because the daily candle, of course, plays an important role. Does the daily candle close within this ascending triangle, which would be bullish, or does it close below it? And if it closes below it, we might continue to trade in this channel, which we had between 280 and pretty much 297, 296. This is the top of that support or resistance zone that we had here. We just need to get above this 297, and then we can get to the 310. I said this morning, if we don't get to the 310, I think we could drop down to something like 220. That's currently the one of the key Fibonacci retracement levels. Yes, there are further support zones here, but I think this is sort of the worst case for me at the moment. I said that today, and I think if we manage to get beyond the 310, then we could get to 450. That's my target. And to all the people who always say, you know, yeah, up or down, of course. I mean, in trading, you never know what's going to happen. You can make assumptions. That's what we do all day in life with everything. You can't predict the future, but these indicators and the price action can help you to prepare and to prepare for your trade decisions. If you want to do trading, but on this channel, I'm not really doing any day trading because it just costs too much time. I'm a long-term holder, but many people just want to know what's going on with the price. So that's why we talk about Cardano so much. But what I actually wanted to point out to you is that the 10-day moving average, which you can see here in red, is actually providing some very nice support. It has been providing very nice support since we actually moved into this upward trend on the 21st of July, I think, and we have made that cross where the price action has moved above the 10-day moving average on the 23rd of July. And since then, it has provided really nice support. And again, now we can see that it is providing support. So let's see if that continues to provide support. I think as long as it does, not really a lot to need to worry, because it has really supported this upward trend. And I'd like us to get back into this ascending triangle and then hopefully break to the upside. At the moment, it looks like we're breaking to the downside, but I must also say there was a lot of support. The buyers were quite strong. They didn't allow the price to drop further. We've got a pretty strong resistance level, support level here at 270. So this will be the support level that we might test if it goes down further. Again, if we drop below that, we will probably drop first instance to 255, then like 245, and then we could go down to 220, I believe. But for me, it looks still rather bullish, even though, you know, you always have drops of 10-20%. There were, you know, people were panicking today in the comments when we dropped from, I think, like 290, where were we today, to 296. When we dropped to 280, people were panicking. But honestly, if you're not, you need to be prepared for these moves in crypto. That's just what happens. And I said it before in videos. Before the last hard fork, we had drops of 30%, and we still made the gains back and moved to new all-time highs. That is just what you need to expect. You need to be prepared for that. And some of these are really hard to predict. And it's just, you know, just be prepared for it. And that's why I always say, try to get as much information about a project before you invest. It is so important that you understand the project, because for me, I mean, I probably don't know everything about Cardano, but I know a lot. I spend a lot of hours every day reading Cardano news, trying to learn more about the project and the partners. And that's why I'm so bullish on Cardano, because I think I understand the project at least reasonably well, so that I'm not panicking if the price drops, because fundamentally, nothing has changed for me. And it's rather getting more and more interesting the closer we move to the 12th of September. Yeah, but then I think these are just the levels we need to watch at the moment. Need to see. All I can say is that we're getting here support at the 10-day moving average at the moment, which is very good. And I was happy that I could accumulate. These are the dips that I'm looking for. These are the dips when I accumulate more. You might have a different strategy, but that's just my strategy. Can't get enough ADA, so I always try to accumulate more when the price drops. All right, hopefully you appreciated this short update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this Cardano journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.